Hello, everyone. Welcome to TOPS. My name is Miss Lily, and I'm going to be your math teacher this year. So I just wanted to introduce myself and tell you a couple things about myself. So I am Miss Lily. I have been full-time at TOPS for 2 years. This will be my third year full-time at TOPS. And I was an adjunct at TOPS for 5 years before that. So I did work at Tennessee High School, which is the local school here in Bristol, for 14 years in the classroom before that. So yeah, I've been teaching for as long as you guys have been alive. So I also coach cross country, and so my afternoons I go and work with the runners at Tennessee High, and I really enjoy that. So I've done that for 19 years, worked with coaching cross country, and for 13 years I did track, but I no longer do track. In my spare time, I like to run and bike, and I go hiking on the weekends, and I like a lot of the outdoor stuff. So from time to time, you may hear me mention something about a hike I've done or something. So just be aware that's just who I am. If you need help, I want you to be comfortable reaching out to me. So on the class, you're going to see a few things, and make sure on the syllabus you go in and look at the office hours and know that I'm available during those office hours. If I'm not already helping a student, I'll get right back to you. If I'm helping a student, I'll get back to you as quickly as I can. But if you email me or try to contact me outside of office hours, I will get back to you as soon as I can. So I'm looking forward to a great school year with you guys, and we're going to talk a little bit about what we're going to do in the class. All right, so looking forward to what you're going to do in the class, I want you to first click on your class from the dashboard. When you click on the class, on the right-hand side, you're going to see some tabs that says Home, Modules, Grades, etc. So I want you to click on the modules, and you're always going to start by clicking on the modules when you're working in my class. For each week, it's going to be kind of the week that we are in the semester, and we typically have about 18 weeks in the school year, but we have 2 9 weeks. So you'll see if it's module. Right now we'll be working on modules 1 and 2. That's the first 2. I put those together because you will have a couple assignments due this first week when you look, but the first attendance date won't be till after week 2, which is August 21st. So just be aware that you are paying attention to the due dates. In all my math classes, I want you to start with the first thing in the module, which is going to be the module description or the overview. This is an important place to start because it's going to have your pacing guides, and it's going to have your essential questions, what you're going to be learning for the week. So make sure that you always start with the module description or the overview. Make a plan. Use the pacing guide. We give these to you to help set you up for success. We want you guys to be really successful. We want you to have a great experience here at TOPS. And we know getting started, it can be a little bit stressful because there's a lot to do. But these pacing guides, if you use these, they should help you do some of your work in each class each day of the week, Monday through Friday, so that you can still enjoy your weekends or do other things. Now, if you need to do your work on the weekends, just make sure you start that on the first weekend so that you can still finish by the due date. So you do have 7 days to complete 5 days worth of work. So just be aware that if you do that, then you will never have any problems with attendance, etc. All right, once you click on the module description and the overview, then you should work through the modules one assignment at a time. I want you to always work in math in order. Okay, so that's very important. Math, sometimes you learn one skill that's going to help you be successful in the next assignment. So make sure in all of your math classes that you start at the first of the module and you work through the module in order. So I hope these tips kind of help you get started. I hope that you have a great first semester here at TOPS with me. And if you are a returning student, then welcome back. And hopefully we all have a great year. If you need anything, just contact me.